Non-society is a polite society. Welcome to the Polite Society Podcast, where we support and report on civilian self-defense.
Welcome to the Polite Society Podcast, recorded live on Wednesday, July 30th, 2014. I'm Rob Morse.
I'm Rachel Malone, and on tonight's show we have our self-defense news.
I'm John Richardson, and we'll talk about defensive gun use.
So climb aboard.
Strap in.
And hang on. Episode 256 of the Polite Society Podcast starts right now. If you say to me that you've got stupid gun laws in Burlington, well, there are many Burlingtons, and I think of the Burlington, Vermont City Council. They're the most famous. But had you said Burlington, Iowa, well, you'd be right there too. The Burlington City Council considered regulations demanding city permission before children could have toy guns, replica guns, and BB guns in public. Violators would be subject to a $500 fine. The city would also demand that toy guns be carried in a gun case when transported in a car. The excuse was that it was better to outlaw toy guns than to train police to determine, difficult things like opportunity, intent, and capability. I guess that allows the police to shoot on sight if they see a gun because they don't need to consider anything else. This is extremely strange because we require Iowa concealed license holders to determine opportunity, intent, and capability on a daily basis when they carry, and we think nothing of it. The Des Moines County Attorney is probably at fault for tolerating the stupidity, though, luckily, the regulation was voted down by the city.
You know, when I listened to that story...
Rob.
Yeah?
Wow.
I should tell you what I really feel? What?
Okay, so seriously, Rob, we're talking about a toy gun, like a plastic toy gun.
Yes.
And replicas and BB guns, and we're talking about outlawing those as opposed to training police. And you're sure this isn't April Fool's, and you're just kind of
this is
teasing
not
everybody with something that's so absurd. Of course, everybody knows it's a joke.
This is not The Onion.
This is the kind of thing you could make up.
Yeah, I could.
On April Fool's.
I could, but no. This is and it was just amazing to hear the city council woman go, "Oh, we got some very harsh comments. I don't really think they understand the good that we intended." No, we get it. You don't like guns.
Wow. I don't understand the good they intended.
Yeah.
What's that old saying? The road to hell is paved with good intentions?
Or at least liberal fantasies sometimes. It's just crazy out there.
But, a whole generation of kids my age, 5-year-olds, would have been dead because we carried our cap guns in our open holsters along with our chaps and cowboy hats.
Man, so dangerous, John.
And our broomstick horses. I remember that.
And the caps actually had a little dab, I think, of black powder in them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Man, you're just endangering public.
How did we ever survive it?
I don't know.
Well,
glad you did.